Or no?
Yeah. So
this is the new door jamb switch. Great company. I'm not mocking the company at all. I think there was just a miscommunication in something, I don't know what, because this, if you can see that, is what we need.
Standard issue GM door switch, which
double wire and a single wire. We need one of each.
That's exactly what I said.
I think we just got shipped the wrong part. And I mean, it happens. I'm not complaining, but
yeah, so
it just puts us behind on schedule. That's all.
So we're mowing through this. I'll work around that. I'll get it handled.
And then, where did I put them? Oh, I put them all in the bag. Okay.
All of them?
Yep.
How many are there?
We have 5 door jamb switches.
We only need 3.
2.
And 1 hood switch.
And 1 hood switch.
Which is the same switch.
Right. So we need a single for the hood, a single for the passenger side door, and a double for the driver's.
Single, double.
Okay. So we need to do the T-top screws. Okay. These are screws
for T-tops.
For a T-top. Walk with me, talk with me.
Oh no. I don't want to walk anymore. I want to finish up what I got to finish up. Alright, what do we got?
See the nice chrome tips? Those are the screws we need.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll find some. You know what? Pull one. I'll go up yonder and I'll deal with it.
I got to pull the other T-top too because we're getting into the wiring and I need the room for my head.
Got you. We'll get me those screws. When I go out run errands right now, I'll do that. I'm going to change this pulley and then we're on our way. So I'll handle finding the door switches. It's fine. For fun time, Scotty?
Yeah.
Are you?
Well, the easiest way to put it is you'll see a notch that's in there.
Yes.
Okay. That notch depictates
it locates our wiper.
Exactly. Well, when we put this one on, it's inside the cowl, and we need another wiper because this is...
I'll get those at the zone.
Yeah, this is not even remote.
I'm going on a parts adventure in a minute, so yeah, we'll handle that.
So if I put this in the way it's supposed to be, let me do this real quick.
This guy even needs to come up really to get him in there, the screws. And of course, Ay. Hey, Scotty. All right, get that figured out and I'll come back.